Hi guys, Martin the Vlogger here. You are watching this video because you are part of a very small, very limited group, up to 100 people from around the world, who will test platform that is called BeOn3. And today you will find out in this hopefully a short video, you will find out what's BeOn3, what's the platform, why we call it internally future of the KNM community, what you will be able to test. What are I will slightly share the other features that are under development. So how you can understand really the features that are present at the moment and what you can expect in the future. And what is available, what is not available, and where you can share the bugs that you will find out or something that you would think it's important for to improve or it would be nice to have. So I'll share everything with you. Um, One note, in case you will hear any noises around, there is a building under construction next door and they are pretty loud today. So I'm sorry, but I think we will go get through it. And two, I will be not editing this video. So whatever I will say, I will say. If I will be lost, I'm very sorry, but hopefully you will get the point. Cool. So what's BeOn3? BeOn3, it's future of the Canon community. BeOn3, I have had, and I think it's quite obvious that I'm behind this project. BeOn3, it's a platform. It always, if you think about BeOn3, always think in the way that it should be, or it is, one stop for Canon community. So Spider Riker, Canyon Riders, and God knows what the future will bring. So if it's related to Can-Am, then it should be in this on this BeOn3. Right now, I will give you an example, and we can go directly to the database or to the platform, and I will show you like what you will be experiencing, what is in there, and why it is in there. So hopefully you can see my screen. Actually, this is our homepage. You will be not able to log into it automatically. So if you type beon3.com, it will ask you for one-time password. It's not one time. Actually, it will stay there for I think 2 weeks. I'm not an IT guy. I have guys that's doing all the programming. But you have received the code, insert it, and then you will see this platform. Again, I don't know. I think it's called web-based app, or it's not really an app. It's basically a thing that you can see on desktop, so any computer. You can access it on your phone or tablet, but still, it's a website that is basically shrinking or enlarging. So you can test it on both or all three types of environments. So desktop, tablet, phone. So once you're in here, I will just quickly switch. Once you're in there, the BeOn3 will at the moment will give you dashboard. Dashboard is a place where you can see everything that is happening related to you. So for example, forum, if you are following some topics, it will be displayed. If you have commented somewhere, it will display. If you have created some topic or thread, we call it them threads, it will be displayed there. There is something that we are still developing. There will be a reputation. So more you talk, more you share, the higher ranking will be there. So some small fun, your garage, your rides, and everything. Basically, as you can see, at the moment we have three major components that are already implemented. Let's start with garage. So in the garage, I have 3 bikes. But you as a free user, our database will be always free. That's the aim. Our database, I don't want to call it database, it's a platform. Our platform will be never say never, but the aim is not to spoil it with ads and pop-ups and whatever. So it should be clean. Of course, there will be a bonus features for users that you can pay premium, and this is how we can cover the costs. The costs are quite high. I will be not lying to you. But we will have trusted partners. We will have some banners that will be not really offensive in the future. We will have partnerships, but everything needs to be rider connected. Everything needs to be Can-Am connected. And then how we will live, it's from bonus features. So also, maybe I will skip this or turn this a little. When I will log in as our test account, which one is this one? I'll show you what you will be asked from the beginning. Very quickly, I go to my profile and I go to subscriptions. And if I click upgrade to Rider Plus, all the time you can get a rider for free. This is what it's predefined. This is what you will get. And in the garage, that's the aim why I'm actually here. You will get one motorcycle that you can park and you can record activities around your bike. So services, service history, it will tell you what are the services due, those ones that you are recording. And of course, in the Rider Plus, you will be able to record up to 4 motorcycles. So this is the difference. You will get 10 garage documents in the garage. So the garage, what are the garage documents? We wanted also in the garage to create something that is for recording items that you are buying, for example. So you can always keep the warranty or warranty paper, invoice usually it is, next to you. So you can get up to 10, where in the premium is up to 50, and you can pick 7 essential services. So we have chosen 7 services like tires, brake pads, oil. So all of these you can record right now for free. But of course, there is a paid function. Can you choose Be a Rider Plus? Yes, you can do it also in beta test. It would be absolutely amazing, but I'm not begging anyone. We have our budget. We are running it. We will be developing till we can. But really, like we would like to be, we are, not we would like to be. We are community-driven platform. So we would like to give to community, and in return, we are asking for subscriptions from the community that I think they are quite reasonable. 390, 3.29 is at the moment the subscription when you will choose a yearly payment, or 395 it's per month. It's what, like almost like a coffee these days. But one thing you will be not able to access, if I will go here, it's a community. This will be unlocked only for Rider Plus members. At the moment, we are just working on it, and there will be some like Rider Plus members will be able to, so the paid members will be able to also navigate which direction the platform will be developed. Also, we will share behind the screens, behind the scenes videos, so something like I'm doing right now. So community will get, paid members will get something from us, something extra. But let's get back to Garage. So try to imagine you have only one, and you can of course create your bike that you have parked in the garage. So let's say I have F3S. My model is 2015. It's the beast. It's there. I can choose the currency. Let's say euros. My mileage is 10,000. Good. And the vehicle. Of course, you can add the photo. And here are the services. Actually, what's working right now. I will just quickly do one service. You can test it on your own, of course. I would like to do also a demonstration video. We will include it into Garage. It's not there yet. But let's say I have done oil change. How many kilometers I have put? 10,000. So I have done oil change at 8,000 kilometers. And I would like to be in my next service. Now, we do not have, it's a lot of work, a lot of studying. So we do not have automated system which tells you like in 25 you should be doing this, in 50,000 kilometers or this and this miles you should be doing that. But at the moment, like I know, like I have done my oil service in 8,000. So I like to do it every 10,000 kilometers. So my next service is in 10,000 kilometers, or I can do distance and time, let's say 12 months. All right. So this way I will save my record, service it here, It's recorded. And now if I will update my mileage, that I have 25,000 miles. Unfortunately, we need to hit refresh. It's not automated there at the moment, but I can see that my oil change is due, and all of the services that will be there will be due, and you will see what you need to do next, which I think is quite cool. Of course, we need to tweak the system and we need to start somewhere, but our wish list is there because I own a shop, and sometimes people wants to buy something and they forget where they seen it or something. So it's just the beginning, it's just an idea, but we will develop this feature. What we are also developing and would like to develop actually, it's reminders. I don't know if it's correct word, maybe we will need to find a correct word for that, definitely, but like reminder of important dates. Like for me, for instance, it's a technical inspection or MOT somewhere, or when is my highway pass expiring, when is my this and that expiring related to my bike. So it will be there. And also what we want to do, what we want to include, I will also, me as a Martin the vlogger, I will start to do more how-to videos very quick, like bam bam, how to undo things on bikes, and to every single model we will be adding these how-to videos so people don't have to go to YouTube and search there and watch the stupid ads. We will try to implement it under different logic than YouTube and to have it inside of the platform. How it will be done, I don't know as for today, because there is a lot of studying behind, but that's actually the vision of the garage. So please guys, do there are services unlocked, there are services locked. If they are locked, they are part of premium subscription. If we go to the rides again, that was something I have just put rides, me and and my wife and team, we are searching, doing everything. We are not super big team, but we're working hard. So as for the rides, you can add any type of ride, and it can be a coffee meeting with friends, but everything has to be, of course, related to spiders and rikers. But it can be like this. It can be a rally that you know. Usually, what we do, let's say Sturgis. Everybody knows that BeOn3 is not organizing Sturgis. God no, like one day, maybe, hopefully. But we say it's edited by admin, and like this, we would like to build a database of events so everybody can watch. When you click on map, it will display. Now, this is something I would like to hear your feedback. If it's going to be oriented on Europe, like I'm from Europe, recording this from Europe, so it's all fine that I see European meetings. But if you're in the US, it should show you the US map. At least this is what the guys have told me from behind the computer, that they are developing this. But it's testing. We know about this bug. It's not a bug. It's actually carousel that it's set up this way. There are two layers of the same event. There will be a different logic to it. So stay tuned on that. Guided tours and rentals. Ooh, I have a rental and rental agency, but we'll be adding whoever would like to be there. We'll be able to promote their tours so people can find rental places, which is absolutely cool. Why not to go to the US and rent a bike? Absolutely amazing. Why not to go on to toursOn3.com? To Europe. Anyway, so you can, of course, experience it. The button for creating events, it's unluckily here on the right bottom. We are working on it to move it somewhere else, but you can create events. Yeah, this was something that Facebook is serving, but again, Facebook is serving something that they want, not what you want to see. So good. Forum. Forum is important for us at the moment, for you guys as the beta testers, not only because let's run the discussion, please, but also because if you go to the welcome and news, of course, introduce yourself. You can direct it to it. But if you go to the closed beta test, future upgrades and development pipe, you can write whatever you are missing. Just write a comment, put it there. We will be updating the list. And same goes, even more important, closed beta test, no issues and status updates. We already know what we are working on, these that are there. I have bigger list, but I just put the most obvious ones. So if you would just write there a comment, we will implement it. This is one way how you can share. I think it's at the moment, at the present, we see it as the most logic way, because everybody, like, you will be not sending us emails and repeating same all the time the same bug, but we can write it here and everybody will see, oh, okay, it's reported already. I saw that, but I don't have to report it anymore. So this is about the forum right garage. Yeah, go click, try, do. If you don't see something, let us know. What are the future features that we would like to do? I told you, like, I want the community to say, hey, that's the priority, because that sounds really cool and that's something we can be using. From the beta test, we would like to hear, okay, Martin, that's really stupid. Like, nobody, like, we are not using it. We will be not continuing that direction in development. So, yeah, features like videos, definitely how-to videos. That's one of the key things. We would like to create a map of all of the shops. And, you know, you go through America, you go through Europe, and your bike breaks. I want people to go to the app and see immediately, like, okay, is there a service center next to me that I can call and whatever? This is big trouble at the moment. Is there a tour and rental agency in America, in Australia, in Asia, in Europe? So riding map, we're trying to build something also that will bring people daily to the platform. So something like contests. Yeah, it's very simple, but everybody likes to share and stuff. We try to build something also that people, at the moment, the garage is locked. Whatever you put into garage, your bike, whatever, it's locked. It's for you. But I know people like to share. And forum, it's great, but it's not really for sharing. So like really like instant share, right? So we try to think about this as well. About rights, people like to write, people like to memorize things. We don't want to be a second, I don't know, what's the platform? Geez, it just flew out of my head. There's a platform that tracks your ride, basically, and and tells you like where you've been through the day. That's something we don't want to do, but we would like to bring a map with the coolest roads in every state, let's say, and you can say, you can tick that you have been there, maybe post a picture there. So that would be something like advanced feature. So all of this will be done hopefully one day. I'm talking way too much. So guys, test, write feedbacks, become a premium writer user or not. It's your call. But you know what? Remember, be part of BeOn3 and always have fun. Now I need to click to finish recording.